How to recover deleted videos on iPhone. Want to recover deleted videos on your iPhone? You can usually restore them if they're still in the recently deleted album. First, open the Photos app and tap Collections. Scroll down to the Utilities section and tap Recently Deleted. Use Face ID or your passcode to unlock the album. To find your deleted videos more easily, tap the filter icon, choose Filter, and select Videos. This will show only the deleted videos. Next, tap Select and choose the videos you want to recover. Tap the three-dot menu at the top and select Recover. Confirm the recovery, and your videos will be restored to your Photos library. Keep in mind that deleted photos and videos are only kept in Recently Deleted for a limited time. If you permanently delete them from there, they may not be recoverable through this method. That's how you can recover deleted videos on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.